Okay, I'm back with the knee group, and they've started to open up the anterior aspect of their knee. So we have the quad tendon and patella raised up, and we see going to knee flexion, and we can see the distal surface of the femur. And then let's go back into extension. And then we'll be real quiet. We'll make some faster motions. As here, if you can hear the fluid. I think we can hear fluid. Very nice.